Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and limiting damage. Turn off the main water and the basement circuit because live power plus standing water is dangerous. Put on gloves, boots, eye protection, and an N95. You are dealing with sewage and bacteria. Once done, open windows and run a fan to ventilate, then block other floor drains to stop spread. Make sure to document the level of backup for insurance. This prepares you for the cleanup and repair steps that follow. You now find where the backup is coming from and relieve pressure. First, open the nearest sewer cleanout cap slowly. If sewage surges, you know the clog is downstream, and relieving pressure prevents catastrophic overflow. Next, feed a snake or electric auger into the main line, push gently, then rotate and pull to break and extract the obstruction because brute force often compacts the clog. Inspect the trap, sump pump, and check valve for mechanical failure. If the pump isn't moving water, it explains recurring backups and must be fixed or replaced. Once the line is cleared, you clean and verify the repair. Remove and discard soaked carpets or drywall. Porous materials harbor pathogens. Sanitize hard surfaces with an EPA-registered disinfectant and let them dry because residual bacteria cause health risks. Then run several test flushes from the highest to lowest fixtures and watch for slow drains or any reappearance of backup. If issues persist or multiple fixtures back up, call a licensed plumber. A deep sewer line blockage or collapsed pipe requires professional tools and a camera inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.